Hello everyone, in today's video we are talking about aptitude study for RCAT. Basically, the Revelian Cognitive Ability Test is a timed multiple choice test that measures your general cognitive ability. Each person can only take the test up to 3 times, at most once a year. Therefore, please prepare well before the exam. The test includes 51 questions to be answered within a time limit of 20 minutes. The questions are divided into 3 main categories: verbal reasoning, abstract reasoning, and numerical reasoning. There are 17 questions in each category. These categories are explained in detail in my channel. In this video, we mainly focus on numerical reasoning questions. Numerical reasoning questions assess your ability to understand numerical relationships and concepts, and your ability to reason using numbers. These 3 types of numerical questions can be found in the RCAT. First, number series. You will be presented with a series of numbers with one number missing. You need to find the missing number. Second, number matrices. You will be presented with a 3x3 matrix with numbers. You have to find a number that is represented by a question mark. Last, numerical word problems. Numerical word problems, simply called math word problems, are mathematical questions presented verbally. Alright, let's start with the first type of question, number matrices. What is the missing number that should replace the question mark? For this kind of question, you have to compare with the horizontal and vertical numbers. We can see that 13 plus 7 is 20, and the answer should be less than 7 of 10, so the correct answer is 3. In order to check the answer, we can compare the vertical pairs, such as 20 is 10 larger than 10, so the correct answer should be 10 less than 13. Therefore, after dividing 13 by 10, we can get the same answer as 3. Let's do some exercises on the example question. You will have 20 seconds to give the answer. Yes, the correct answer is -4. We can see that 5 plus 3 is 8, and the answer should be -1 minus 3. So the correct answer is -4. In order to check the answer, we can compare the vertical pairs. For example, 8 minus 9 is -1, so the correct answer should be 9 less than 5. Therefore, after -9 by 5, we can get the same answer as -4. Next, let's move to type 2 questions, number series. What is the missing number that should take the place of the question mark? As we can see, there are -3 differences between 9 and 6, 6 differences between 6 and 12, and -3 differences between 12 and 9. Since the different result is -3, plus 6 minus 3, plus 6, so on. Therefore, plus 6 should be the sequence in the correct order. So the correct answer is 9 plus 6, or 12 plus 3 is 15. Let's do some exercises on the example question. You will have 20 seconds to give the answer. Yes, the correct answer is 4. As we can see, there are 5 differences between 8 and 13, 6 differences between 13 and 19, and 7 differences between 19 and 26. Since the different result is 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 should be the sequence in the correct order. So the correct answer is 1 plus 3, or 8 minus 4 is 4. Next, let's move to type 3 questions, numerical word problems. John has 6 times as many oranges as Bill, who has 1/4 as many oranges as Jack. If John has 24 oranges, how many does Jack have? There are many ways to solve this kind of problem, but we only have 20 seconds for each problem, so I will show you the easiest way to get answers. As we already know that John has 24 oranges, therefore, we divide 24 by 6, then we can get the number of Bill's oranges to be 4, and according to the question, Bill has 1/4 as many oranges as Jack. So we multiply 4 by 4 to get the number of Bill's oranges to be 16. Remember that for this type of question, we just need to put the x at the beginning and count from left to right to get the correct answer. Let's do some exercises on the example question. The brain has worked 4 times as long as Tracy, and Bill have worked for 1/3 as long as Tracy. If Brian has worked for 24 hours, how long has Bill worked? Now, you will have 20 seconds to give the answer. Yes, the correct answer is 2 hours. Remember that for this type of question, we just need to put the x at the beginning and count from left to right to get the answer. So, we divide 24 by 4. We can get Tracy's hours as 6, and then use Tracy's hours divided by 3 to be Bill's hours. So the correct answer is 2. Next, let's move to the next type of question. What number when multiplied by itself is 15 greater than the preceding number when it is multiplied by itself? As we have seen, the left side is the correct formula to get the answer, but we only have 20 seconds for each question. Therefore, I will explain that the fastest way to answer this type of question is to add 1 to the number, then divide by 2, and we can get the same answer. For example, 15 plus 1 is 16, then 16 is determined by 2 to be 8. So the correct answer is 8. We can multiply 8 by 8 minus 7 times 7 to equal 64 minus 49. Yes, the difference is 15, so the correct answer should be 8. Let's do some exercises on the example question. What number when multiplied by itself is 21 greater than the preceding number when it is multiplied by itself? Now, you will have 20 seconds to give the answer. Yes, the correct answer is 11. Remember, the fastest way to answer this type of question is to add 1 to the number, then divide by 2. Therefore, we use 21 plus 1 then divide by 2 is 1. We can multiply 11 by 11 minus 10 times 10 to equal 121 minus 100. Yes, the difference is 21, so the correct answer should be 11. Next, let's move to the next type of questions. All light bulbs in an office were placed into 4 boxes. The first box when decided by 5, the second box when decided by 4, the third box when divided by 3, and the fourth box when divided by 6 resulted in the same whole number. What is the least number of lights that could have been in the office? Okay, the fastest way to answer this type of question is to assume that the same result is equal to 1, so the correct answer is to add these 4 numbers together. As a result, the sum of 5, 4, 3, and 6 equals 18. Let's do some exercises on the example question. The number of fish in a pond was divided into 4 lots. The first lot when decided by 6, the second lot when decided by 3, the third lot when divided by 2, and the fourth lot when divided by 4 resulted in the same whole number. What is the least number of fish that could have been in the pond? Now, you will have 20 seconds to give the answer. Yes, the correct answer is 15. Remember, the fastest way is to assume that the same result is equal to 1, so the correct answer is to add these four numbers together. As a result, the sum of 6, 3, 2, and 4 equals 15. Overall, in the numerical reasoning question section, there are 17 questions in total. You only have 24 seconds for each question. Remember that the timing is very important. Try to think from questions from TYP1 to TYP3 and skip these questions you have never seen before. Therefore, please study hard before the exam. Otherwise, you have to wait one more year to retest. At the end of the video, we are offering 100 real test sample questions for a limited reward. Please leave your email address below the comment and thumbs up. Please leave your email address below the comment and thumbs up. The answer and analysis will be sent to your mail in the next 48 hours. It's a 30-day money-back guarantee. Remember, all the material we offer is the real exam questions. Please focus on the latest material we provide, and you will ace the aptitude test easily. Please leave your email address below now. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your exam.